Hi there, friend. Welcome to Hohenwald, Tennessee. I want to walk you through the Safe Step factory and reveal the steps that your tub or walk-in shower takes on its journey to you. And along the way, introduce you to a few of the 200 proud Americans that put the work into making your dream bathroom a reality.
Hi, my name is Phil Melfa. I'm the Director of Product Development for Safe Step Walk-In Tubs. I'd like to welcome you to the factory here in Hohenwald, Tennessee.
Safe Step walk-in showers are made on a separate production line using the same methods as our tub. Today, we'll walk you through our walk-in tub production line. Each tub is made in two pieces before they're married together. We'll start with the frame, then come back to talk about the shell of the tub. First, the frame shop.
I'm Jennifer Mitchell. I'm the welding supervisor here. We make the tub frames to support the walk-in tubs. We have two robots. They take a lot of work off of us. They weld the frame completely. All we do is load it and unload it, whereas before we were manually welding it. And it took us about 6 minutes to weld one frame, which is the weld cell takes about a minute and a half.
Safe Step is North America's #1 walk-in tub. To keep up with the high demand, our robotic welders build each frame. This is how Safe Step makes high-quality, universal parts that fit perfectly every time.
My name's Corbin Schultz. I'm the automation technician. We still have a person running the machine, but the robots will take over after the person loads it up. It's usually faster than having a person do it, and it's more consistent as well. You don't have to worry about someone accidentally putting a part in the wrong spot or drilling a hole in the wrong place or something like that, because the machine will put it in the same place every time.
Every Safe Step tub comes with a lifetime warranty, so we use a 6061 American extruded aluminum alloy, which provides each tub with a lightweight, corrosion-free foundation. The second part of the tub is the shell, which is the part you see.
My name is Michelle Johnson. I am the lamination supervisor. Lamination is where we put the fiberglass, resin, and gel coat on the actual product.
The first layer of the gel coat is hand-sprayed with the quality control aid of a TFM monitor. The monitor tells the technician exactly how much material is being laid down. The gel coat is then covered with a black spray-on layer known as a barrier coat. This black layer helps generate a visual contrast. So, as layers are added to strengthen your tub, the technicians can make sure that there are no air bubbles or imperfections. At the next station, a skin coat is added. Then, the build coat. The build coat is the final and strongest coat on the entire tub. The shell and frame are put together by adding sheets of bidirectional fiberglass. Once resin is added to the sheets of glass, the frame becomes integrated with the build coat. Now it's time to demold the tub.
My name is Brian Jude, and I'm the tub puller on the tub line. My job is basically to lift the tub from the mold and break it loose with a wedge. A tub weighs about, on average, anywhere from 105 to 120 pounds, depending on what model the tub is.
The tub is then left to cure in the warehouse for 2 to 3 days before heading over to the robotic water jet station. Safe Step uses robotic water jet cells to cut through the tough shell. This high-tech tool is custom programmed to make precision cuts for the jets, faucets, and tub controls.
My name is Zach Hensley. I'm the lead operator on the water jet system. It really just helps out with the time. We went down from like 20 minutes a tub to about 5 minutes. So each tub gets scanned in about 5 different locations. It takes measurements each time. So based on those measurements, it knows where to place each hole accurately. It cuts with a 50,000 PSI, so each hole is the same size on every tub that we cut. It really just makes it more consistent.
Using water to cut the holes also keeps the dust in the air to a minimum, giving the factory technicians a better work environment. The tub is buffed of any imperfections before it is sent to the final assembly area. Safe Step walk-in tub is the only true hybrid tub on the market. While the shell of your tub is made from layers of fiberglass, the doors and skirt are formed from high-strength acrylic.
My name's Dale Castenholm. I work in the oven department.
Each of the acrylic parts are thermoformed in ovens, then precision cut on robotic CNC routers to give your tub its flawless fit and finish.
My name is Dalton Cottom, and I am the CNC supervisor. Right here we're making the door fronts. It's a computerized system. This machine is very precision, makes everything to the smallest increment you need it to be. You couldn't hand route these things out. It wouldn't be consistent cuts every time to fit the tub.
In the assembly area is where the product truly becomes a Safe Step walk-in tub. Here, the plumbing, controls, jets, pumps, lights, and even the built-in grab bars are installed. Everything you need for an enjoyable bathing experience.
My name is Keith Bobo. When we get the tubs in the repair area, and they'll repair anything that they see that might be any flaws, they'll get it fixed. When they get done with that, it goes up to our jetting area, and then they'll begin to start putting like the side jets in, the handles on, the keypads. It'll cure 24 hours. The next day we get it and we begin to plumb the tub. When it gets done, it comes off, comes down to the door and skirt area and get it ready for then the water test area.
Once fully assembled, every Safe Step tub goes through a rigorous 14-point quality control inspection, including water testing.
I'm Blake Painter. I'm Blaze Painter and I'm the water tester. Well, we'll put the tub up and fill it up with water. We'll let them run for about 30 minutes on each cycle. Make sure there's no leaks, check all the plumbing, and then if there is a leak, we'll fix it. And if it has silicone, we'll let it sit overnight and then check it back in the morning.
Safe Step goes above and beyond to test and certify the parts that go into your walk-in tub. Your tub is tested and certified by not one, not two, but 3 different independent third-party laboratories. That's to make sure it meets or exceeds all applicable plumbing and electrical standards. Safe Step walk-in tubs are UL listed as a hydro-massage bathing appliance, as well as carrying the shield of the Universal Plumbing Code, earned by the International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials.
I am Elizabeth Perry. I'm the quality manager. So the quality department is responsible for the incoming and outgoing quality of all of the products. Our tubs, we definitely put them through the ringer when it comes from a quality perspective to make sure that what we're providing is the highest quality product.
After water testing, each tub is drained and given a showroom shine before boxing and shipping.
My name is Angela Peters. I'm the team lead for the finishing department. We do the finish of the tub. We make sure everything is as perfect as it can be. We do packing, which gives all of the filler panels, the faucets, everything in it that it needs. And we scan them, the barcode, and make sure everything's labeled properly.
Once the tub is boxed, it's ready for delivery to you.
From all of us down here in Hohenwald, I'd like to thank you for deciding to purchase our product today. We know that it's going to give you many years of enjoyment and better health.
Thank you so much for buying our products. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for helping support our company.
Thank you. Thank you a lot. Thank you.
Thank you for supporting us. We work very hard to make a good quality product.
The work we do here does help the people live a better quality of life. So it's just a gratifying experience knowing that we've helped people. It feels great knowing that we're doing something we're doing something that's worth something, that we're doing something that are helping people.
And we're all here to do one thing, and that's produce a safe product. Makes me feel like I'm making a change in the world, helping people out.
I want to thank you for visiting us here in Hohenwald, Tennessee.
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 Proud home with a Safe Step walk-in tub and shower.